Well, good morning, good morning, good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. We're back Tuesday morning. I hope you're ready to make some money like I am right now because at the end of the day, we're showing up for one reason to make some smoney. Not money, smoney today, everyone. With that being said, we hit all-time highs once again for the overnight session last night. And with that being said, we're going to be safe and we're not going to force anything. I was forcing yesterday, but today we're not forcing. We're going to take what the market gives us. And for the YouTube stream, the people you hear on the stream talking to me, those are the members of the Legacy Wealth Society, a trading community helping new traders and seasoned traders make real profits from the markets. With that being said, stay safe in the markets and let's have some fun today. Back to you, G. I'm back to you, sir. Let's see here. Yeah, so right now we are above that VWAP, above the close from yesterday, but below the 21 EMA. So we're going to see what we get. Kind of want to come back down, tap that VWAP, and potentially push up from there. But we're going to see what we get. This market's continuing to drop right now.
Yes, it is. Going down.
But since it's pre-market, I don't want to just take a quick little short, right, only because it moves too slow. It moves too slow.
Figure that. Once that market open, you know. the volatility, man, from 9:30 to like around 9:45.
Trade some Apex funded accounts and some growth evals with Tradeify today. Gotta work on those today. Get those passed so I can start trading the fundeds for Tradeify. Since I blew one of my fundeds yesterday with Tradeify, sadly, got chopped up. I only had just under like $900 left to draw down after I took my 2K payout. So it happens. It happens. But on that account, was able to take out $3,500 off a $100 investment. So not complaining here. So that's a $3,400 profit. You do that twice a month, and you're sitting pretty. Just under 7K for the month, doing that twice a month. So we'll take that. Let's see. Let me see if we got Trump speaking or anything like that today. Because when Trump speaks, the market moves. So I want to make sure we're not going to be getting hit with anything today. I don't see that he's speaking today. All right, so we should be good. Trump's not speaking today. That's one less thing we got to worry about. 9:25, 9:25. We got 5 more minutes before market opens here. Just trying to see what the market's trying to do for this pre-market right now. And then we're going to execute some solid trades.
Good morning.
Good morning,
morning,
Moose.
Moose.
Morning, morning, sir. How are you on this fine Tuesday morning?
Good, good. It's just, you know, a good Tuesday. Money Tuesdays.
Yep, Money Tuesday. We'll take it. We'll take it.
Where's Steve?
I'm sure he'll be getting on here any minute. Any minute for him. He normally gets on around 9:25, 9:26.
Okay.
Good morning, Joshua. How are you on this fine morning, sir? Awesome, awesome. I hope you're as excited as we are to make some money today. Because, man, today's going to be a good day.
Good day today. What up,
From
Moose?
from Montreal, man. That's awesome. That's awesome. I gotta come out there and visit. I was in Portugal about like 2 months ago, so I gotta start traveling more. That's what I realized. Gotta start traveling more.
Wonder what the market's gonna do. Uh-oh. I see you downtrend.
Less than 2 minutes now. Less than 2 minutes before market opens here. Are you, Joshua? Are you trading the Nasdaq, or what are you trading this morning? I see a slight little bear flag. Keyword slight bear flag. Let me put my stuff on my chart, even though market's getting ready to open. All right. Going to try being patient today. Well, Joshua, if you're studying to trade, I recommend you join the community because the strategy we use is bulletproof and it just works. So, did you join the community yet or not yet?
I think I'm about to join.
Here you go.
Good morning, Steve. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
One more minute.
Good
Well,
morning, Steve.
Join the community. Just go and click the founders group. Once you click the link in the bio, completely free. We would love to have you in the community. We want to see you win. It's completely free. Just for you, though. Don't tell anyone.
Oh my goodness.
Alrighty. We hit all-time highs last night. We have the close from yesterday at 184. VWAP's right above that, 187.
Oh, market's open.
Let's see what we get here this morning. Oh, there we go. Some nice momentum to the downside. But if you want a simple strategy to use that will make you thousands upon thousands of dollars each month, I definitely recommend you check joining so you could learn the strategy that we use, because it's helped me go from burning through evals, burning through multiple evals, to getting consistent payouts. So and some of the people in the community, they were able to get their funded accounts within like the first week or two, which just getting funded accounts a big accomplishment trading with prop firms, because over 95% never get a funded account and pass the eval. So the strategy works. The strategy works. All right, so those bulls stepped in trying to buy that price up there. Let's see what we get. But that big wick right there on that 2-minute candle, letting us know that the bulls don't want the price going lower. But let's see, we got that VWAP calling us at 191. So all right, just tapped and pushed through that 21 EMA right there. I want to see a nice pullback so we can keep pushing up. That's what I'm waiting for. That's what I'm looking for. It's only been 2 minutes. There's no rush today. No rush. All right, there's the bear stepping in right there. Want to clear those wicks though, to potentially take a quick short on this Apex funded account. Let's see if we get this follow through past these wicks here. Don't want to buy until we get, well, don't want to sell until we get below these wicks.
Yeah, you see those wicks on the bottom.
Yep. So not trying to short until we clear those wicks. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't want the bulls just pushing it right up when you're short. That's not fun.
That is not fun.
Trust me from my own experience.
You know what I love about you, Duane? It's like the fact that you learn from everything with this stuff.
I try to.
Well, sometimes you don't though. Let's actually talk real, because sometimes you forget about the. I'm just kidding. No, but I mean, it's just like, if you can't laugh at, like, your devastation, this ain't the game for you, because if you laugh through it and you learn from it, you move on.
Yep. Like, I had to put things in perspective last night and this morning, because I blew one of my funded accounts yesterday. The one I just took a 2K payout on. And I realized for
I want to interrupt for the listeners at home that you pulled $3,500 out of that, so it's not a complete loss.
I was going to talk. That's what helped me put things in perspective, because I literally flipped $100 and turned it into $3,400 in profit. Like, at the end of the day, that's a win. Did it suck blowing it? 100%. But I was able to get 35, but that $100, so $3,400 in profit within the last 2 weeks. Like, that's solid. That's solid. So that's why I'm energized and ready to trade today, because I'm like, we're just flipping money here. That's all we're doing. Small investment, big rewards.
All investment, big reward.
Right.
As we can see right there, we never tried going short because we never cleared those wicks.
Mm-hmm.
So glad we didn't try forcing that issue.
Order filled.
Boy, just going up, up, up. Woo! Well,
That's why we didn't go short.
ooh, it look like it wants to touch that 5.7 and 5. 5.7. That's the market high, right? From the 2.
Market high is
the 575.
Yep, 275.
Yeah, 275. All right.
Big old wick currently on the 2-minute candle.
Look at that wick on the 1 minute candle.
Whoa.
That 1 minute went all the way down, erased all his gains.
Will it push back up?
Have you started doodling yet? I see you have your line, but are you thinking about placing it, Duane?
I doodled on my other chart. There's not much to doodle right now. Still waiting here.
I'm just trying to keep you occupied for a minute.
Oh no, I'm good today.
Oh, that's what you always say, and you'll be like, order filled?
That's normally you or G with the order fills.
Nah, that's Steve.
I'm more of a sniper. You just see it happen very quickly, and you don't even know it happened.
Well, except you could see it on the screen, but other than that, you don't believe your eyes.
With that big wick on this 5 minute, I feel like that's going to be giving us a bear flag right there. So just waiting to see if it actually plays out here. Welcome to the YouTube stream. Welcome everyone over there. Hope you enjoy. Stay safe in the markets. It's only been 8 minutes. There's no rush today. Remember that. No rush.
No rush today.
Well, when we rush, that's when we make mistakes.
Right.
A very uneventful open so far.
Right.
Super tight opening range currently. Let's see. 263 down to 217. Yeah. Very uneventful. Still waiting here. We may actually complete this whole 15 minutes without having any moves. Sellers definitely try to step in. I just don't like those wicks on those 2-minute candles. Well, all these candles to be real. Letting us know that those bulls want to hold that price.
Yeah, so probably put it looks like the honesty looks like
I'm looking at this right here. If we break through here, I'll be feeling a waterfall.
Uh-oh.
Well, we gotta break through there. We gotta see what we get. Five more minutes. Well, pretty much 4 more minutes now for that 15-minute range to be completed. This market literally has gone pretty much nowhere since market open. Let's see. We need some type of price movement here because this range currently is super tight. We have no news today. Trump is not speaking either. So let's see what we get, gentlemen. Welcome to the YouTube stream for the people over there. What are you guys trading today?
My life savings.
Please don't trade your life savings. This is a very easy way to lose it if you don't know what you're doing here. So do not trade your life savings. Not recommended.
No recommendo.
All right, here come the bears. Let's see if they have the follow through here.
Do you want to get through that 240 wick kind of area?
Yeah, I want to break through that 240 with some good momentum. I'll probably take a quick scalp just so I could get a trading day on this account. But we don't have the momentum yet, so still waiting. Finger on the trigger. Didn't get the movement I wanted on that one. We almost broke through, but didn't break through. So
A certain buoyancy in the market, like when it's really fighting going down. You know what I mean? Like it seemed like it get the momentum will just stop.
we have less than a minute now. Well, a minute coming up here for that 15-minute range to finally be completed. We have gone absolutely nowhere for this 15-minute range. So we keep coming down to this level and we keep popping right back up there. So if the bulls don't if the bulls don't get tired, the bears are not going to push it through. So 10 more seconds for the 15-minute range to be completed. Hold on, everyone.
We're holding for the call.
Alrighty. Starting to break through that line. Let's see if we get the follow through here. Being extremely slow right here.
Yo, this 15 is bouncing off an EMA on the 9.
We got these wicks. Those wicks.
Yeah.
If you wake me up, I might take a nap. What was that opening range? Like 43 point? Like what?
Yeah, it's super tight for today for that opening
Well,
range.
There's one good thing about that. It'll be very hard to diddle in the middle unless it just creeps here. But sometimes the spread of the middle is the same as this opening edge.
Yeah. Bulls trying to take control.
If they start getting some upward momentum, we want to clear those wicks like up what would be our target, like 260, something like that.
Yeah, I want to get above the 260. Honestly, I would just honestly wait for the breakout of this range. Because if not, we're just going to potentially be chopping in this small, tight range, and it's just not worth it.
How did it become 230 trading so quick? Like we went through, it's like, oh.
I'll have to get ready to run downstairs real quick to grab my wallet. My mechanic's heading to Holler Ford to grab a part from one of my patrol cars.
Holler your boy.
Super tight range. We're literally in the middle of this small, tight 15-minute range for today.
Well, we're definitely diddling there.
I know as soon as I go downstairs, it's going to start doing something.
Okay, can you go downstairs already? Come on. It's like all those times, like I want to go get a cup of coffee, like the refill, but it's like if it's going this slow, I'll be like, oh, the move of the century.
Like super tight right now. That VWAP is slowly creeping up.
And then, so that's going to just close it, tighten it up even more when it starts bouncing around like you like.
Just want some type of movement. Not trying to get chopped up in the middle here.
Don't diddle in the middle.
No, do not diddle in the middle, everyone. It's not worth it.
By the looks of it, we might even have to wait till 10.
Well, hopefully not, but we'll definitely see here. All right, I'm gonna run downstairs.
Take your fireman pole, it's quicker.
I'm gonna run downstairs here. And I'm hoping, keyword,
I
I
just
said
said something.
hoping that the market doesn't go crazy as soon as I run off here.
We'll get your cardio in. We'll be here when you get back.
I'll be right back, gentlemen.
Somebody's got to say something, man. It's like I'm gonna go to sleep. It's like slow soul music and nothing on the screen, man.
This thing better move. A new 4-hour candle's coming right now. So let's see how this goes. Oh man.
Chop it, chop it. Shit is choppy, man.
Yeah.
Well, what I do, I just be going on my what you call it, man, on the sim account. And just try to like work on trades there, and that's pretty much what I be doing sometimes. So.
Yeah, go on the sim account, and then if it works, then you grew that. If it doesn't, then you go on the real account, and then you make the proper move there.
Right. It's weird right now. I don't know.
If they're gonna close like a doji candle on the 1 minute, it's just like everybody's just like, make up your mind.
Right. But on the 2 minute, y'all don't see like any flags trying to form in or anything like that?
No, it's all consolidating.
Yeah.
All right, gentlemen, I am back.
Hey, we each made like $600.
No, you didn't. The market didn't go anywhere. Market didn't even move, so that's how I know you're capping. I don't know why you're trying to play me. That's kind of weird, but anyways.
Oh wow, man.
Still sitting right in the middle of this 15-minute range here. This is honestly the most uneventful session so far I've seen in quite a while. We've had tight ranges, but this one's just super tight.
Super tight.
All right, starting to get some type of push up here. But still in this 15-minute range. It's been tight all morning. We're trying to millionaire. We're trying to.
I heard that echo. Somebody must be on your live.
Yep. Bulls are starting to push here. All right, just popped out of that 15-minute range finally. Let's see if we... Yeah, we're going to retest it before we have the full breakout here.
Breakout, yeah.
Is it above the 15-minute?
We were almost getting ready to push out of it.
We did, and then we came back.
Didn't get the test I wanted right there. Just Aggie today. Just Aggie. But not stressing it. Right back down. I thought we were getting ready to push out. So I tried jumping before the push to maximize profits, and I did not get where I wanted there. So sitting right in this 15-minute range still.
Those 5-minute candles are so tight.
Oh yeah. Very small bodies on those 5-minute candles as well.
I mean, it's going back. It's like it'll get the little pop, and that's it. We got to do our push-ups. Let's get some push-up.
We need something. We need something here. Just came back down. We tapped that 21 EMA.
Yeah.
Let's see if we use that as support to keep us going higher here, but we're literally in this 15-minute range still, so. Next week, just so you guys know, we won't have a stream next Friday. So no stream next Friday.
Because you're gonna be wearing a sombrero on the beach.
I will be wearing a sombrero on the beach in Mexico at an all-inclusive resort, eating as much meat as possible. They're gonna have to throw me out. I'm gonna eat that much meat. So
at the end of the day, they're gonna call you La Vaca, the cow, because you're gonna be eating so much beef.
But we will be back the following Monday to stream, so have no fear. We're going to be back for that. But we'll be in Mexico next Friday. Well, next Thursday, but I'm leaving Thursday like right at 10:30. I'll have to get off the stream. So I'll be able to be with you guys for an hour and then get off, and I got to go catch a flight. So
you gotta catch a flight, and then and then you're gonna have sandals, and you're gonna have sandals in the sand with a sombrero.
I'll be dressed with my sombrero and my sandals on stream, because as soon as we get off at 10:30, heading straight to the airport. So
and TSA will be like, "What in God's green earth do we have going here?"
Luckily, they won't stop me because I have TSA pre-check, so we're good.
Well, yeah, but I'm just saying, they're gonna be like, man, he's not on the beach yet. He might be going a little crazy to Orlando.
Wow. How did I just get that now, though? That's weird. Alrighty, so sitting here in the middle of this 15-minute range still. So there's not much for us to do.
Well, you can tell us, like, don't give the public name of the place if you don't want to, but have you ever been to said resort before?
No. So this is one of the best all-inclusive resorts they have out there.
Okay, so the Motel 6, Motel Seso.
The El Moto 60, you know what I'm saying? Like, no, it's the Ex Carte Mexico.
Right.
You guys look it up. I'll probably actually pull some pictures up, and since the market's not even doing anything, I might as well show you where I'm going, right?
At this point, you could just actually like paint a picture for us on screen, and it'd be more like quicker.
Yo, the market is literally not doing anything right now, which is slightly frustrating.
Hey man, you know what?
If I take that line off the chart, maybe it'll start moving.
Well, here's the deal, man.
Let me try.
This is training more than anything else. Like weightlifting, you need to rest, because right now, if you're taking dumb trades because you're getting anxious, that shows the difference between the Victors and Knots.
Well, I took that line off because I realized that line was holding the price up. So
Oh, I
now
see.
that I took it off, we should start waterfalling here shortly. So
The best thing is when you actually like set up a trade and then the market just consolidates on that line. That's my favorite.
at least that's your favorite. It's not my favorite.
Well, look, I like it difficult sometimes.
All right, so literally the price is dead center of the 15-minute range right now.
So we don't diddle in the middle.
Thank you.
So are you going to show us this resort, or do we have to?
Yeah, no, I'm pulling it up right now. So this has multiple parks. Like, that's why this is probably one of the best ones out there.
Yeah.
Because they have multiple parks, like theme parks, everything like that.
Okay,
I'm looking at this market too because I'm getting ready to take a short. If we get some follow through, that's why I'm like going back and forth real quick here.
He's testing his mouse hand. Take a ride to that VWAP.
I don't see us possibly getting all the way down there right now, just with how the market's barely moving here.
Barely moving. No, I know. I was just. We break free like the wick at 220, it could mean business.
I did jump in. I took a stab at it. 545 on that trade right there. Bear with me. My mechanic's calling. I have to give him a card number here. Hold on, gentlemen.
You better mute us, please.
Despite the previous 1 hour's low, starting to get overreact.
All right, your boy's back.
Awesome.
They're like it's getting close to the VWAP, but it bounced right back up.
But then that 15-minute range.
On the bottom of it though, right?
Yeah. I mean, I just do it old school where I draw the box and it's like right there. I don't have that fancy other automated one, but.
Alrighty, so 545 on this one. I'm just going to rotate off of it. Let's go to some of my Tradeify accounts now.
While we're waiting for the next move, you got to get those pictures ready on deck.
Yeah. Once I switch over on this real quick, that's my next order of business. Did I read that wrong? Oh, hold on, gentlemen. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, you're good. Awesome. Thank you, Randy. Okay, perfect. Bye. Alrighty. I can't find, which is weird. Oh, there we go. Just kidding. I found it.
This popped up with the EMA.
Let me get some pictures pulled up. Screen capture.
That reaction.
All right. Well, this is the hotel I'm staying at where I go in Mexico here.
All right. What is it? X Carrot?
Yeah, Mexico. One of the top resorts out there.
And you're gonna have that pyramid in the back of your room, the master suite.
We got an ocean view, so gotta see what that's gonna be looking like. But they have tons of parks, adventure parks, where we'll be able to do ATVs, the whole shebang.
Yeah, and then you don't have to leave the property to do all that stuff.
Nope. And they have shuttles to like all the other parks that they have for like the zip lining.
Oh yeah.
That's not loading properly, but okay. Oh, that'll be me and my girl. We'll be zip lining like that together right there.
I actually think that's you in the picture.
But they have really cool restaurants, everything like that. So I'm excited to check it out. Yeah.
No, that's awesome. Thank you for sharing.
No, of course. Yes.
Where do you fly into?
Flying to Cancun.
Oh, Cancun. Okay.
So right back up here to the middle of this 15-minute range.
Right.
Gotta love it.
What? We're not gonna diddle in the middle.
Just
That's the
patiently
thing,
waiting here.
It's a surprising culinary experience, so you're gonna surprise them.
I want us to get some type of good push. Let me move these lines out the way here, since they're not doing anything for us currently. Let's see. When looking at this screen, it's like, okay, let me just look at some other stuff, because if I look at the charts too much here, it's going to make me want to jump in, even though there's nothing to jump in on, sadly. 1, 2. All right. So by next Thursday, I should be able to request another 2K payout from Apex. Looking at my calendar here. So that'll be a nice little gift to myself. That's another reason why I want to pass some of these Tradeify accounts by the end of tomorrow at the latest, just so that way I can take another payout before I go to Mexico.
Yeah, I think a nice wow.
It. Have you guys taken trades, or are you guys flat for the day?
Flat right now. I ain't taking no trades.
Smart
Okay,
man.
I did take one trade and it was up to 125, and then when I closed, it was at 45.
Yeah, that slippage is annoying. It's not even slippage. That just shows how quick the market moved
Well,
in
yeah,
that split second.
The market moves like it's moving slow but fast at the same time. But the worst is, and we both gone through this, where it's like you're up, at least like 200 or 300, and you close and it's red, and it's like what?
Yeah, that's annoying. That's like the worst. That's the worst.
I mean, at least I will honestly not complain if there's green. I mean, is it like, am I going to Cancun? Not unless I want to rent a slow boat to China. But it's like, at least it's a successful trade. But when you do the other one and everything's there, it's like what?
Yeah.
Going back to EMA.
Yeah. Almost tapped it. We did not tap that EMA, but we were close. There we go. There's that little love tap on that 21 EMA. Look at these wicks. Just gotta love it.
And all this traveling, like if I look at the 5 minute, it's like, there's one candle that went down that you traded on. Then it just kind of creeped up a little bit past the middle close. And so it just kind of, I mean, geesh.
This is definitely a good learning day, because this is a day when you gotta try staying as flat as possible. Because
it's almost like the Cameron strategy. You throw it out like a ATM strategy on it, and just let it creep.
Yeah.
Breaking through that EMA. Are we heading south? Are we going right? We're hanging in the middle. Yeah, yeah.
We tried pushing right through that middle, but want to see some more momentum here. Bulls are trying to step in. We have not tapped that that VWAP or the close from yesterday. Honestly, I just want to see a flag at this point.
Yeah. I got an American flag and a Gadsden battle flag, but that's in my room.
Right?
Directly in the middle of this 15-minute range.
Okay, so I was trying to remember what we don't do in the middle.
Oh, we don't diddle in the middle. We don't diddle in the middle.
We just keep it real. Shit, that's not bad. All right. On Thursday, like two days from now, I do have a doctor's appointment. But so like I'll check in, but like I won't be trading right off the bat.
No, you're good. You're good. I actually had a doctor's appointment yesterday. I went and get my knee checked out finally.
Did they say it's still on you? What happened?
They said it's still on me, but I have to go get an MRI so they can see how much damage I caused to my knee playing basketball. So,
Well, how much damage did you put on that court, man? You know, it's hurting more than you. You laid that down.
we're going to see. We're going to see. It's gotten a little bit better where I could walk a little bit better, but it's still not
look,
clean.
Man, when you got up to go downstairs, I thought it was John Wayne from the back. He was walking like that. And like once you get past a certain age and the magic number is not 35, they start making you do labs. And last time the lady was a real brat, because she's like, I just wanted to just renew my meds, and she demanded I get the labs, and they came back better than they did like 8 years ago. So I'm gonna like here look at the paper. But actually today that day I'm seeing the doctor, I think, but oh well.
Come on, market. Welcome to the YouTube stream for the people over there. Hopefully you're staying safe in this non-eventful market today.
Legacy Wealth in the house. Like and subscribe.
Just patiently waiting. All right, starting to get some momentum here. Let's see what we get.
I looked up. Hopefully, it's still like in that middle thing.
Yeah, we're still dead center in the middle of this 15-minute range here, so. We have that wick on that 5-minute on the bottom, trying to hold that price up right there. The bulls.
I just went over the 15-minute candle, and that's sad, man.
just a quick 140. I pre-ran it. That's the only reason why I was able to get the 140 even off that quick little scalp. Hopefully tomorrow we get some better action.
I think it's a safe bet. I don't. If it goes any slower, I think it's just the computer's gonna go into sleep mode. We're rolling along.
Yeah, I cut that one. Didn't get the follow through, but it looks like right now, potentially, keyword potentially, this market is moving so slow.
It's moving. It's crazy. So since that resort is so big, like, do you have like a game plan? Because it's something that has that many activities, you could be like, what do I do?
We have to figure it out still, like what things we really want to do. We're
Yeah, 'cause,
gonna. There's
sometimes
so
there's that many.
much at the
Yeah.
place where we're not going to be able to do everything. So we're going to figure out this week what activities we want to do, everything like that. So that way, as long as we hit the top ones we have, we're good.
Yeah.
But we'll figure that out later this week, actually, since we still have over a week to plan out how we're going to go about this.
Cool. I'm excited for you.
Yeah, it's going to be cool. All you can eat, can't go wrong with that. Come on now.
Yeah, you could go to Golden Corral and have that, but yeah, it's more than that, isn't it?
Just a little bit more than Golden Corral. Just a little bit more.
You should have seen that my birthday roast. You know, we make fire cider. You know what that is?
No.
It's like apothecary stuff. It's like you blend all these like spices and peppers and stuff, and it's like a natural it's a natural thing to take when you get a cold.
Okay.
But we save all that stuff because it has those spices, and we dried it out, and then we put that as like the main aspect in the brine, and I brine that roast for 3 days. And then I smoked it for 6 hours, and then like seasoned it up. Oh my Lord. That's all you could eat right there.
Sounds delicious.
It was insane. I mean, it was like the kids were just like ripping it apart like animals.
That's a good sign. My kids, they eat, but they're picky.
Yeah, but you do like a nice smoke like that where it's like been brining for 3 days. Oh, it's like they taste that savory. It's gone.
Yeah. We got this big wick on this 2 minute. This is slow going today. Slow going today.
So you'll do the zip line, and then you'll be like, that'll be cool.
Yep. Zip line. I gotta double check, see if they got jet skis and all that stuff too.
They must. I mean, looking at that, the way that thing is, and you got the ATV, and then you got like all kinds of cool stuff. Are we gonna hit that VWAP yet?
There's the VWAP tab. Finally, some movement here.
They're gonna break free of that 15-minute and then the VWAP and keep heading.
Let's see if we retest that 15-minute range. If not, we're about coming back down to that 184 level. Took another stab right there. I cleaned up this account, but then I just gave it right back. Retesting that low, that 15-minute range right there. Let's see if we build out a bear flag here.
See, that's what we need on a day like this. We really just need to get a reasonable like flag.
And some momentum, since we're using momentum for our flags. Without the momentum, it's hard.
Well, the thing is, like, the wrinkles are the heartbeat. That's what my guru says. He's that
No
guy wearing
guru.
the sombrero.
All right, so back into that low, that 15-minute range. Want to see us get below this VWAP now.
Below the VWAP.
Right on that VWAP currently.
Hey, it's looking like a bear flag, fellas.
That's what I was thinking.
He's ready too. I can see he's flexing his finger.
Oh, the finger's ready.
That 2-minute candle closing.
We're sitting right on this VWAP currently. All right, popping right back into that low, that 15-minute range right there. So retesting that low.
Guys, I gotta go.
All right, Moose,
right,
have a good day.
I'll see you later.
All right.
Okay, we got to get something going. Duane, I mean, I paid for this. No, I'm just kidding. This is supposed to be all inclusive.
Yeah, you gotta get away from that VWAP, man.
The waterfall's coming. I can smell the water. I can smell the water here.
It's got sulfur in his water where he lives.
All right, so this is on my growth account. Just got stopped out right there by the system. I didn't close it. We're going to drop. I know that.
So it just closed your trade for you?
Yeah.
And you didn't have ATM?
So they have a daily loss limit on the growth account?
Oh, okay, so is that okay?
Yeah.
I got you. I just thought that like Ninja closed it on you.
No, 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 no. Once we're building structure right now on this 2-minute chart. But if we keep pushing up, if the bulls keep pushing up, I'm not going to like that structure.
it says it goes right back to the EMA.
Literally, getting ready to give it a nice little love tap.
It just as you were saying that, it's like, okay, just watch this, sucker.
So, like I said, I was looking for that 200 break. Those are the people.
No, no. It's on the stove, bro. Got it high. Burn it.
Okay.
I did saw that. What you call it? But see that bear flag. It looks like it.
I got my doodles up.
Not getting the movement. I think I may call it here shortly because this thing isn't moving. I may just stop trading. Put money in one of my funded accounts today, but the rest is just chopping.
Yeah, it is pretty pathetic. So you're not even going to try to trade on the beach on Friday?
Nope, not going to trade when I'm in Mexico on the beach. It's only that one day, so I'm like, I could take one day from trading, even though I want to trade.
Well, I think you should do a ceremonial trade from the Central American Peninsula.
I will have my laptop with me, so technically I could trade. I'm just not taking my trading computer, so.
Technically, I just put an idea in your head.
Well, we'll see. We'll see what we can do.
Honey, where are you going? I'm going to go get some more food to eat. I'll be right back in an hour.
Is this going to finally be the break? Let's see. Just clean 200 up right there. Tapping that VWAP. Tapping that VWAP now. Alrighty. Well, 380 in the green now. Off that weird move that the market just did. Not complaining, but.
Now we're in home number territory.
Good call out with right there, Steve, with that whole number. I wasn't even looking at that, so thank you.
Yeah, because I was, you start getting like fixated on just anything. Oh, here we go. Come on. Gonna hit tap that low.
We tapped the first target I had on my chart here, which was at the 194 level. So next target would be the 184. 184 is the next target. I'll actually rotate since the market's not really moving. Let's rotate to another one. Oh, come on, mouse, hurry up.
No, it's not A plus plus. So there's a bear flag on the 1 minute coming out here.
Yeah, we got that bear flag. Want to see a flag on a higher time frame here?
Believe me, I'm with you, Jack. I do know that your name's not Jack. That was an expression.
Want to get below that 196 area.
Okay, hold my beer. No.
Hold my beer.
Well, just as soon as you said that, it was like got to 196. So call it another number below us. See if it'll go there. Not that whole number.
Yeah, we're at that whole number still.
Went down to 196 again.
All right, there's the 194. Killed that trade. And then that's crazy. Want to get below that 194 level. Well, actually, I want to get below that 193 because we bounced twice now on that level.
What's cool about this is I am seeing it. You know what I mean? It's just like, as you're saying it, it's kind of like my methodology is lining up. So I'm happy about that. Gonna go up attached, touch the VWAP, yeah.
Welcome to the YouTube stream for everyone over there. Welcome. Hopefully you're having a terrific Tuesday. I hope you like what I just did there with that wordplay. You're welcome.
That was amazing.
Looks like we're gonna have another rainy day here in Florida.
Rainy night in Georgia.
Did not tap that VWAP. Let's get through that 193 level. Want to get below that 193 for a short.
I actually have horizontal lines right there because I've been looking at that area. So take the guesswork out. Yeah.
Bounce right off that 193 once again. So that's why we want to get through that 193 for a short. All right, through the 193.
And if we come up and test it.
You want to trade, Dwayne?
I am. I'm getting ready to close it here in a second. Just want to see if we push through this 193 again. But we've been bouncing on that 193, so. Looking for the follow through. If not, I'll just kill this trade. Because to me, it's looking kind of heavy. Yep, didn't get the move. Ah, what a day. 2 days in a row, I've just gotten chopped up. Not happy with my performance. Done trading my Tradeify accounts. Rotate back over to some Apex that I have. These are just evals, so I'm not. This is just to stay in the game with you guys today.
Stay in the game. So really, we just need to get out of this chop zone again. So it just needs to break out of this 184.
We got those wicks on those two candles right there on that 5 minute.
Oh yeah. Like look at that doji. That's what insane. It's like those prices are so tight. I'm just gonna look at 30-minute candles. You can't even tell the difference.
I got 13 more minutes. I'll be getting off at 11 here. This price action has not been my friend today. Got chopped up 2 days in a row. But I was also pushing as well, so that's my own fault. So
are we going to the VWAP?
Potentially because of these wicks, yes.
That's what I'm looking at. It obviously doesn't want to go down very well.
Not with momentum, at least. This is an eval, just an eval. I could have closed at 175 in green, but thought we were going to get more of a push since we got so close to that VWAP. Clean this one up just a little bit. Right back to this area where we're kind of chopping in. Are we going to get the follow through now? Let's see.
Touch it almost. Come on.
All right, there's the close from yesterday. Finally. Let's see how we react up here. Or are we going to keep falling?
So we're gonna chop some more.
Hopefully not. Hopefully not.
Where are you looking? Like 75 to get out of that?
I'm done. I'm done trading. This is crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Right back to that 193 level where we were chopping at.
Yeah.
Close from yesterday, 184. 184 for the close for yesterday.
And it wants nothing to do with it either.
Well, the perks are traded. Sometimes the market moves good. Other times the market moves like trash. Today's a trash day.
No, trash day is on Monday and Thursday. Yard waste is on Wednesday.
Right up close to this 193 zone.
Let's have a candle that's not touching that in some way. Could we do that?
I think this 184 area may start becoming another zone that we chop in. We got that wick right there on that 5 minute. Bulls are trying to hold that price up.
God, yeah.
It's always normally the opposite of what research is a thing, right?
Five more minutes, I'm getting off. Tired of nothing today. This market's literally
Vanity. It's all
nothing.
is vanity.
We got some consolidating happening.
Here's your waterfall after all this time.
Almost came down, tapped the next target, which was at 170. But right back up to that 184 level. Three more minutes. I'm getting off.
I don't see why it's so exciting.
Hey, if this is exciting for you, Steve, more power to you.
No, it's not exciting for me. I was being sarcastic, sir.
Oh, I know. I was being sarcastic too.
Oh, okay.
Nothing like watching paint dry.
Nothing else like it. Let's see if 11 o'clock will pop it for us.
Not gonna hold my breath. Not gonna
Well,
hold my
don't do
breath on
that.
that one.
We know what happened last time. Hold your breath when you're like swimming underwater in Cancun.
That I will. That I will.
You snorkeling and all that stuff.
Yeah, but let's see if they got like some dolphins to swim with, all that good stuff. Maybe some sharks. Who knows? All right, it's 11 o'clock.
Wow, look at that movement.
Well, gentlemen, it's been a pleasure.
It always is a pleasure. Can I say, thank you for taking the time and sacrifice to trade with us?
Hold on now. It looks like it's moving.
Oh, yeah.
Eh.
I think have you been drinking? No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, it's not moving. It's still sitting in the same spot.
I wish it would clear that wick, the last 5-minute wick going down for something, but.
Well, gentlemen, I'll talk to you guys later. It's been a pleasure.
Hey, pleasure, man.
I gotta get off.
Me too. I'm getting off too, man.
All right, guys, have a good rest of your day.
All right.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, bye.
Bye.
For everyone still on the YouTube stream, appreciate you tuning in. We will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one.